Hi, it's May 8, 2025. I just want to document this moment. It's been already 1 year na since I left the corporate. And my daughter left me as well last January. She's my adopted daughter. We've been together for 10 years, but it's already gone. Uh, she's already with her family na. So right now, I'm living alone. I just want and I'm dreaming to be a YouTuber. So I want to express myself through short film, not just a content just because of gusto lang magkaroon ng million views or million subscribers, masyadong mababaw. But I want to create quality content where people fall in love with and to help people who are stuck in life or they don't know where to start or what are the things that they want to pursue in life. I want to create an impact and touch their life through this content. So abangan nyo, I don't know how long it will take, months, years to create quality content. Balbalikan natin tong video na to. Zero views. I started with zero views, zero subscribers. I just want you to journey with me in this process. Apat pa lang na content and then 88 subscribers. And I also have this tech startup together with Steve, my friend for more than 10 years. So we have this Get Stadium Fit with zero user, zero profit. So nagsisimula pa lang din talaga lahat. Everything is startup. So if you are just starting right now, I want you to journey with me. Ayun, I want to share all my failures, all my small wins in this journey where you could relate as well. So I hope you will continue whatever you are started right now. Just focus and give everything for this startup journey. So subscribe and let's do this together. See you there.